My TV presents Sinulog 2020. Pete Senor.
The My TV 2020 Sinulog coverage is brought to you by IMG International Marketing Group, your total financial solution. Kaiser Medical Center Incorporated, caring for everyone. Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation, the best way to show your love. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated, the first name in healthcare. De Los Reyes Optical Clinic, an eye for excellence. Cebu Landmasters Incorporated, Philippine Airlines.
And all the employees of the city of Cebu, I hereby declare the 455th Sinulog Fiesta Celebration 2020 open.
Colorful, joyous but solemn is the opening of the 40th anniversary of the Sinulog Festival 2020. It began with the Holy Mass, here revealing the importance of close relationship with the Lord, the sincere devotion of the Holy Child Señor Santo Niño, and above all, the love of humankind.
Atog yung tabangan ang Sinulog activities gikan paghapon karon og sa maabot nga adlaw sa prosesyon og labaw sa tanan ini ka Domingo nga perde yung daganang tao anak hinaot nga atog yung iampo ipangaliya nining fiesta ni Señor Santo Niño. Señor Santo Niño, have mercy on us. San Pedro Calungsod, pray for us. Sa tanan, Pete Senor.
Cebu City Mayor Edgardo Labella urged everyone to support all activities of the Sinulog Festival. This year's Sinulog celebrations have made a huge difference than the recent years. Labella is also confident that the Sinulog Festival will be orderly and peaceful.
Of course, ang atong gipandaman gayud, ang atong procession, una sa tanan, because this is most of all a spiritual activity. Of course, ato sang gipandaman, ang atong Grand Parade, kay mo man ay attraction sa, dili lang sa dinis kapupudan basta sa libok sa kalibutan. Of course, ang peace and order ato yung gipanaganan kay di man ato katag-an panahon, but I am very confident that the Chief of Police Colonel Soriano is on top of the situation and all other multiplied forces. Of course, ipadayon na to mga kaigsunan kong Subuanon, ipadayon na to ang ato pagkamampuon, mapasalamaton sa pinalanggang Senyor Santo Niño nga ipalayo ta sa mga katalagman. Of course, magpadayon kita sa atong pagpaniuha gayud nga ang atong pagsaulog magwalampuson kanunay.
Apart from the official Sinulog contingents, Labella announced that street dancers will be increased by the dance of street childrens of the so-called Sinulog of the Palaboy, which comes from the barangays of Ermita, Santo Niño, and San Roque.
What is different in today's grand launching, because we had a certain theme. Before they just do their own thing and go up on stage and dance, but now after the presentation of the universities and schools, they will have a cluster performance, like they will perform the joyful mysteries, the luminous mystery, the sorrowful mystery, and the glorious mystery. So this is something to look forward, something to experience about. So it's more, and that's why we thought of this theme, because next year we're celebrating the quincentennial celebration of our Christianity. It's but fitting to have a very religious theme for this year's celebration.
8 performers from various schools in the city and the province of Cebu have joined the spectacular formal opening of the Sinulog Festival 2020. This is the Gracious Lion for My TV Cebu Sinulog 2020 coverage, Pit Senor.
My TV presents Sinulog 2020. Pit Senor.
The My TV 2020 Sinulog coverage is brought to you by IMG International Marketing Group, your total financial solution. Kaiser Medical Center Incorporated, caring for everyone. Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation, the best way to show your love. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated, the first name in healthcare. De Los Reyes Optical Clinic, an eye for excellence. Cebu Landmasters Incorporated, Philippine Airlines,